Can somebody explain to me how the fuck this happens? Please, give me an explanation. Look, this shit came around and fucked my shit up. Like, what the fuck? Alright, so I guess my rear fender needs to get painted now. And now I'm walking my ass a mile back to work. Low-key kind of butthurt. That's why I didn't take an Uber. I said, fuck it, I'm just gonna walk and man it up. But I'm wearing the wrong shoes, so my feet hurt now. But anyways, let's get back to work so I can take my company car home and then try to film here. And then I gotta clean the E30 for a car show in the morning that I'm gonna be taking you guys to, so be ready because it's gonna get sick. This guy just shit on everybody. All the AN lines with the Recaros. Oh my god. This thing is so clean. Woo. Damn, got to the car show and this is the coolest. This is the sickest thing here. What the? Damn, this thing is so hard. If I had a Tesla Model 3, this is exactly how it would be. Jeez. Now this thing is fucking clean. God damn, dude. This thing is literally immaculate. Little scratches here and there, but this thing's sick, dude. Definitely one on the list. No way. Does that add them up? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. There she blows, baby. Ooh, looking clean. Look at the size difference between this Aventador and this Rolls Royce. Look how big this thing is. Jesus, this is a big boy. Holy crap. Imagine getting in an accident with this thing, you'll die. Jeez. Damn. What's up with the baby dump truck? R8 gang. And this color, that's a clean color. Jeez, this thing is so sick. This fat wing too. Oh, but I spotted carbon wheel. Jesus. God damn, peep the freaking vert. Jeez, this thing is fucking sick. I hope he's on air. God, this thing is so hard. Jesus, with that flake. God damn, big turbo boys, huh? Ooh. Talk about fucking styling. Then we got this. Ooh. I know. Jesus, the Stinger's looking hard too. God damn. Oh shit. He got the flux capacitor. Oh my goodness. Up with the big turbo boys. Look at that little thing creeping. Ooh. So I came to the conclusion that I think what happened to my Infinity, I think somebody might have stuck that cotter pin in the tire. I don't know how, but they might have done it. I'm gonna check the cameras at my work on Monday. The angle that it went in, and everybody who's told me that that doesn't look right thinks that somebody may have done it. So I'm gonna check my cameras, and then yeah, I'll show you guys an update next week. But hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good one. See you guys later.